Welcome to our motherboard showdown. Today, we are comparing two powerful contenders, the ASUS ROG Strix B550F gaming motherboard and the GIGABYTE B650 AORUS Elite AX. Both motherboards cater to gamers and PC enthusiasts, but they come with different features and price points. Let's dive into the details and see which one stands out for your next build. The ASUS ROG Strix B550F is designed to support AMD's AM4 CPUs, making it a great choice for users looking to utilize existing Ryzen 5000 or 3rd Gen Ryzen processors. In contrast, the GIGABYTE 650 AORUS Elite AX is equipped with an AM5 socket, allowing it to support the latest AMD Ryzen 7000 series processors. This difference in CPU support highlights the generational gap between these two motherboards. When it comes to memory, the ASUS ROG Strix B550F supports DDR4 memory, allowing for a maximum of 128 GB with speeds up to 4,400 MHz. On the other hand, the GIGABYTE B650 AORUS Elite AX takes advantage of the newer DDR5 technology, supporting the same maximum capacity but with speeds reaching up to 6,666 MHz. This advancement in memory technology can lead to better performance in demanding applications. The ASUS ROG Strix B550F features PCIe 4.0 support, which is excellent for fast storage options and graphics cards. However, the GIGABYTE 650 AORUS Elite AX steps it up with PCIe 5.0 support, providing even greater bandwidth for the latest GPUs and NVMe SSDs. This future-proofing makes the B650 AORUS a more appealing choice for those looking to build a cutting-edge gaming rig. In conclusion, both the ASUS ROG Strix B550F and the GIGABYTE B650 AORUS Elite AX have their unique strengths. The B550F offers great value for users on a budget, while the B650 AORUS provides the latest technology for those looking to future-proof their builds. Be sure to consider your specific needs and budget when making your choice. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tech content.